Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to be working on this go-kart. It is a KT196 Coleman two-seater go-kart. My grandkids absolutely love it. And the chain, one of the chains broke. I'm going to be replacing that today. And you can't see the damage part, but it is definitely broken. So I'm going to be replacing both chains today. They're in pretty bad shape. And it's got the this is a 212 cc engine. It's stock. I mean, I've done nothing but clean the carburetor. That's all I've done to it. So far, I mean, the grandson's only 6 years old. He's not ready for more power yet. He pretty much flat puts this thing everywhere it goes now, so he's almost there. But yeah, I'm going to be replacing this chain, so thank you guys for watching my videos, and let's get after it. I'll be right back. I can't find the master link. Master's right there. Try another pair of pliers. Alright guys, I got the new chain on there. My camera ran out of space and stopped recording, so I'm going to have to do some editing. But I got that back on there. Yeah, we can see that. That's one chain. Take these off. Move the engine all the way out the way. These are to adjust the chain up. And that one was pretty easy to put on there. This one's all, it shouldn't be tough. I got a master link, so. Looks pretty good in there, guys.
Sounds like someone has decided that's not the best thing after all.
Yeah, I hear them.
Lunch is ready when you are.
Okay. Be right back, guys. I gotta eat something. Alright, guys. Let's put the second chain on there. See, adjust this just a little bit. See in there. I got the old chain off already. The new chain is going on. master link. Easy peasy. That's that. Alright guys, I want to thank you guys for watching my videos. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. Y'all know what to do. See ya.